In primetime news this evening, right the wrong. Opposition demands Westmoreland MP resign after video emerges of man beating woman. Carnage on the road. 2-vehicle collision leaves at least 5 dead and 10 in hospital. Missing without a trace. Harborview woman seeks help to locate her father.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening, we're asking, do you believe enough is being done to prevent violence against women? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.